Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I think this is a new vlog. So I'm home, as I've told you. At home it's going to be busy this week because Mgidi. Today is Wednesday and Mgidi starts from Friday up until Sunday. So yeah, we're preparing. I think today we're making umqombothi. That's if they haven't finished with that. So I'm just here at home to see what hasn't been done and what else we need to do, those type of things. So I think I'll be running errands. I'm not sure if it's today or tomorrow with my gran, but yeah. So yeah, I am Kwalanga. Oh, I don't live Ekaya. It's not in the Eastern Cape. I'm born and raised in Cape Town, and my family is in Cape Town, Kwalanga. So yeah, the Kwalanga at the moment. So yeah, I want to go inside the house. Let's go. Masambeni. Oh, please don't forget to like this video even before watching, and also leave me a lovely comment in the comment section. Please do that, and also click the notification bell, please. I feel like I'm talking funny, you guys, because I did these. If you remember, my teeth here on the side, it was black. So now the doctor has put in something like it is for a period. These teeth are for like a period, and then we're going to put in what's this, the crowns. So yeah, I think next week we're doing my front teeth, and then I'm going to go back for crowning. So yeah, I'm Dikwalanga, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. I think this vlog is messed up. I'm saying everything, but yeah guys, let's go inside. Chisa sana. You guys, we've already done grocery shopping sana. It's just that I forgot to vlog, but yeah. Go away at Epping, County Fair, so we're buying chicken that side. Enyinyama is our, but yeah, we are here. Hey guys, so I'm actually at the not nail tech. I'm actually at my lash. Yeah, I'm doing my lashes here. I'll show you when I get to the lady. It's actually my first time doing it. Doing my lashes with her. It's a collaboration. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. So yeah, let's go inside and let's see what lashes we'll get and how they look on us. Masamin, where are you? This is an observatory and observatory southern suburbs, and yeah, okay, I'll leave the context of the lady in my description bar.
I'm so shy. Hi guys, come get your lashes done. She's gonna look gorgeous.
Okay, so yeah, wish me luck. Let's see how it goes. Good morning, you guys. It's actually the next day, and these are the lashes. I forgot to show you last night, but yeah, these are the lashes. I like them. They're quite like a short length, but also it's good for me because that's the length I usually go for. Oh, I also forgot just now that I've got deliveries to make as well, so I think I should just go to where my granny is and also like just drop these. And yes, this is what I need to drop, child. Okay. Mandikya and oh, lighting's so great this side. Mandikya, and then just hit the road. Let's hit the road. Is it hit the road, John? Hit the road, Jack. Oh, hit the road, Jack. Dun 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 dun. Yeah.
ningathi ngoku hayi singokuthi sizathatha sithini nijonge aba bantu banenze naba yohlala ehlathini nabazisene ngoku nibuyile nibajonga abazali kuba umakhulu ulapha ecani kwam wagqile wathi ibhudi kwam sizawuthetha ke ngoku ngokwalapha edolophini apa edolophini
siyabathanda bonke abantu oshintando jike bolo bolo jike bolo jike kanye ntombi siyabathanda.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, you can't